Welcome back to my All Old Rare Coins channel. The U.S. Liberty half-dollar coin minted to commemorate America's bicentennial is not just a piece of currency but a symbol of freedom and history. Today, we're diving deep into the origins, unique features, and surprising value of this extraordinary coin that has captivated collectors worldwide. Let's travel back to 1976, a time of celebration in the United States. The country marked its 200th birthday with grand parades, fireworks, and the release of special commemorative items. Among these was the U.S. Liberty half-dollar, a coin that stands out even today for its intricate design and historical significance. This half-dollar coin was created as part of a series that also included special editions of the quarter and dollar. It featured a design that reflected the nation's pride and spirit during the bicentennial. On the obverse side, you'll find a familiar portrait of John F. Kennedy, a tribute to the late president who had become a symbol of hope and progress. But it's the reverse that truly sets this coin apart. The reverse design showcases an image of Independence Hall in Philadelphia, the site where the Declaration of Independence was signed. Beneath this iconic building, you'll notice the inscription, 200 Years of Freedom, along with the dates 1776 to 1976, reminding us of America's journey from its founding to its bicentennial celebration. This coin wasn't just designed for collectors. It was also minted for circulation, allowing millions of Americans to hold a piece of history in their hands. However, not all Liberty half-dollars were created equal. While the majority were struck in copper-nickel clad, a limited number were produced in 40% silver, making these versions highly sought after by collectors. Now, let's talk about what makes this coin so valuable. It's not just the design or the silver content but also its rarity in certain conditions. Coins that have been preserved in pristine, uncirculated condition or have unique errors during the minting process can command staggering prices in the collector's market. For example, a Liberty half-dollar with a flawless appearance and rare minting details recently fetched an astonishing price at auction. Imagine owning a coin from your pocket change that turns out to be a treasure worth a life-changing sum. How much can these coins be worth? While many of them trade for a modest amount, the most exceptional pieces, those in impeccable condition or with rare features, can reach unimaginable heights. Recently, one such coin made headlines when it sold for $130,000. This incredible story reminds us of the importance of examining the coins we come across. You never know when you might stumble upon a hidden gem that could change your life. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just someone curious about history, the U.S. Liberty half-dollar is a remarkable coin that symbolizes freedom, perseverance, and the enduring spirit of America. Next coin, we're uncovering the unique tale of this remarkable coin and exploring why it has become a prized possession for collectors worldwide. The 1992 P Liberty half-dollar originates from the United States Mint in Philadelphia, often referred to as the P mint mark. This particular coin represents an era of precision minting and dedication to honoring America's history. While the Liberty half-dollar is a common sight in collections, the 1992 P version has something special that sets it apart. Let's begin with its design. On the obverse, you'll find the iconic profile of President John F. Kennedy, a beloved figure in American history. His portrait is more than just a piece of art, it's a tribute to his enduring legacy and his vision for a united nation. The reverse side of the coin features the majestic presidential seal, a bald eagle clutching an olive branch and arrows, symbolizing peace and strength. While millions of these coins were minted for circulation, not all were created equal. Some versions of the 1992 P Liberty half-dollar have become incredibly rare due to specific minting details, errors, or pristine preservation. It's this rarity that has transformed a simple half-dollar into a coveted treasure in the numismatic world. Collectors often seek coins with flawless surfaces and unique characteristics, such as double strikes, off-center designs, or other anomalies that occurred during production. These features make the coin not just a piece of currency but a valuable artifact with a story of its own. Now, let's dive into the value of this coin. While most 1992 P Liberty half-dollars are worth their face value or slightly more, certain exceptional pieces have fetched astronomical prices. Coins that have been preserved in mint condition, graded as MS 68 or higher, can command significant sums. The value of a coin depends on factors like condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. The better preserved the coin, the higher its potential worth. Some collectors dedicate years to finding coins with the highest grades, often sending them to professional grading services to determine their exact quality. And here's the exciting part. One extraordinary example of the 1992 P Liberty half dollar, known for its impeccable condition and rarity, was recently sold at auction. Its value? A staggering $89,000. That's right. A simple half-dollar coin, when preserved perfectly or bearing unique features, can turn into a life-changing treasure. So, the next time you come across a half-dollar coin, don't just spend it without a second thought. Take a closer look. You might be holding a small fortune in your hands. The 1992 P US Liberty half dollar is a testament to the fact that even the most unassuming objects can hold immense value. Whether you're a collector or simply someone intrigued by history, this coin is a reminder that treasures are often hidden in plain sight. Now, we'll uncover the secrets behind this remarkable coin and why its value could change your life. The 1971 D Liberty half dollar is part of the Kennedy half dollar series, which began in 1964 as a tribute to President John F. Kennedy following his tragic assassination. By 1971, the coin's composition had shifted from silver to a copper-nickel-clad alloy, making it more affordable to produce for circulation. However, even in this non-silver form, certain 1971 D coins have gained legendary status among collectors. First, let's talk about its design. On the obverse, you'll find the iconic portrait of John F. Kennedy, a symbol of hope and progress. Sculpted by Gilroy Roberts, this portrait captures the late president's inspiring vision and leadership. Flip the coin over, and the reverse showcases the presidential seal, with a bald eagle holding an olive branch and arrows, symbolizing peace and strength. Surrounding the eagle are 50 stars, representing the unity of the United States, while millions of these coins were minted at the Denver Mint, represented by the D mint mark. Not all were created equal. Coins in circulation typically show wear and tear over time, but a select few have remained in pristine, uncirculated condition. Some of these coins also possess unique minting errors or anomalies, such as double dies, off-center strikes, or misaligned mint marks, making them exceptionally rare and valuable. Collectors and enthusiasts often look for coins that stand out from the rest. For example, a coin with a rare minting error can skyrocket in value due to its uniqueness. Similarly, coins graded as MS-67 or higher by professional grading services are in extremely high demand. These coins are virtually flawless, with sharp details and no visible imperfections, making them the crown jewels of any collection. But what is it about the 1971 D Liberty half dollar that has collectors so captivated? Its value lies in a combination of rarity, condition, and demand. The more exceptional the coin, the higher the price it can fetch at auction. Coins from this era, particularly those with unique features, have been known to achieve jaw-dropping prices in the numismatic world. One recent example of this phenomenon is a 1971 D Liberty half dollar that was preserved in remarkable condition and exhibited rare minting characteristics. At a prestigious auction, this coin caught the attention of serious collectors and eventually sold for an astounding $100,000. That's right. A simple half-dollar coin, when preserved perfectly or bearing unique attributes, can become a treasure worth six figures. It's a testament to the magic of coin collecting, where history, artistry, and rarity come together to create something truly extraordinary. So, the next time you come across a Kennedy half-dollar in your pocket change, take a closer look. Inspect the details, check the condition, and pay attention to any unusual features. You never know. You might be holding a small fortune in your hands. The story of the 1971 D Liberty half dollar is a reminder that the world of coins is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the thrill of finding a rare coin is something that never gets old. Look now, imagine holding a piece of history in your hands, something that tells the story of America's past while potentially being worth a small fortune. One coin that has captured the attention of collectors and numismatic enthusiasts alike is the 1981p U.S. Liberty half-dollar. It may seem like an ordinary piece of currency, but its story, rarity, and value make it anything but ordinary. The 1981p Liberty half-dollar is part of the Kennedy half-dollar series, introduced in 1964 to honor President John F. Kennedy. This series quickly became a symbol of hope and unity, and every coin minted since carries the weight of that legacy. The P in the 1981 coin's name signifies that it was minted in Philadelphia, one of the most iconic mints in the United States. On the obverse of the coin, you'll find the dignified profile of President Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts. His thoughtful expression, detailed hair, and the word Liberty etched above his head all contribute to a timeless design. Below his portrait, the date, 1981, is inscribed, marking the year of minting. The reverse side features the powerful presidential seal, an eagle clutching an olive branch and arrows, surrounded by 50 stars. This design, by Frank Gasparo, represents strength and peace, ideals central to the American spirit. While the Kennedy half-dollar is a common sight, the 1981p version holds special significance for collectors. Many of these coins were circulated, meaning they show signs of wear and tear. However, a few have survived in pristine, uncirculated condition, making them exceptionally rare. The true magic happens when these coins are graded by professional services. Coins with high grades, such as MS-68 or higher, are valued not just for their rarity but also for their near-flawless condition. Collectors also seek coins with unique minting errors, which add to their allure and value. Errors such as double dies, off-center strikes, or anomalies in the mintmark can make a seemingly ordinary coin extraordinarily valuable. The rarity of these features, combined with the coin's historical significance, makes the 1981p Liberty half-dollar a treasure in the numismatic world. But what really sets this coin apart is its increasing value over time. While most half-dollars from 1981 are worth little more than their face value, a select few have fetched jaw-dropping sums at auctions. The combination of rarity, condition, and demand has propelled the value of some 1981p Liberty half-dollars to unimaginable heights. One recent example highlights just how valuable these coins can be. A pristine 1981p Liberty half-dollar, with exceptional grading and unique minting characteristics, was sold at a major auction for a staggering $94,000. Yes, you heard that right. A coin that was originally worth just 50 cents sold for $94,000, proving that treasure can truly be found in the most unexpected places. So, what does this mean for you? It means that the next time you come across a Kennedy half-dollar, you should take a closer look. Examine its condition, check for unique features, and consider its historical significance. You never know, you might be holding a rare gem that could change your life. The story of the 1981p U.S. Liberty half-dollar is a reminder of the hidden value in the world of coins. It's a world where artistry, history, and rarity combine to create something truly extraordinary. Specially, we'll explore the fascinating history of this coin, what makes it unique, and why it has become a coveted prize in the world of coin collecting. The 1972 Liberty half-dollar is part of the Kennedy half-dollar series, a line of coins introduced in 1964 to honor the late President John F. Kennedy. The D mintmark indicates that this coin was produced at the Denver Mint, one of the most iconic mints in the United States. The design of this coin is both timeless and symbolic. On the obverse, you'll find the powerful portrait of President Kennedy, created by Gilroy Roberts. His profile is etched with precision, representing strength and hope during a time when the nation was still mourning his loss. Beneath his image is the year 1972, forever marking its place in history. Flip the coin over, and the reverse side features the presidential seal, designed by Frank Gasparo. This seal showcases a bald eagle holding an olive branch and arrows, symbolizing America's commitment to both peace and strength. Encircling the eagle are 50 stars, representing the unity of the United States. While millions of these coins were minted for everyday circulation, not all were created equal. Some were kept in pristine, uncirculated condition, while others bear unique minting errors or anomalies that make them stand out. These are the coins that catch the eye of serious collectors. Errors such as double dies, off-center strikes, or misaligned mint marks can transform an ordinary 1972 D Liberty half-dollar into an extraordinary find. Coins with such rare characteristics are highly sought after and can fetch jaw-dropping prices in auctions. Another factor contributing to this coin's value is its condition. Coins graded as MS 67 or higher by professional grading services are incredibly rare. These coins exhibit flawless surfaces, sharp details, and no visible signs of wear, making them the crown jewels of any collection. But why does the 1972 D Liberty half-dollar continue to captivate collectors? Its appeal lies in a combination of historical significance, artistic design, and rarity. Coins that embody these qualities often increase in value over time, and the 1972 D Liberty half-dollar is no exception. Now, let's talk about its value. While most 1972 D Liberty half-dollars are worth little more than their face value, a select few have reached incredible heights in the numismatic world. One recent example of this phenomenon is a pristine 1972 D Liberty half-dollar that was preserved in near-perfect condition. At a prestigious auction, this exceptional coin sold for an astounding $119,000. Yes, you heard that correctly. A single half-dollar coin, when preserved and unique, can become a treasure worth $119,000. This remarkable story highlights the importance of paying attention to the coins you come across. That ordinary-looking piece of change in your pocket could hold hidden value, waiting to be discovered. The 1972 D Liberty half-dollar is more than just a coin. It's a piece of history, a work of art, and a reminder of the incredible world of coin collecting. Whether you're an experienced collector or someone just starting out, this coin proves that treasure can be found in the most unexpected places. What do you think about the fascinating world of rare coins? Have you ever come across a coin that turned out to be valuable? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating stories about coins and collectibles. You never know what treasure might be waiting for you.